Brakes not slowing you down like they used to? Feeling a little spongy? Or maybe just want to change them pads out? I have 3 methods. The third one worked for me, but any one of them could work for you.
So I'll just be grateful nobody got hurt, okay?
I got hurt!
53.6 miles. That's all the way to the bottom. More than 3/4 pad left. And it is centered. Of course, if you pump it up, they'll come back. If you have these style brakes, you could take it off here. Of course, you could take it off there, but if you do it there, then you have to re-center the caliper on the rotor when you're done. So I'll be taking them off here. As you can see, there's Loctite on these, so you should add some when you reassemble. Grab yourself a needle nose plier and straighten out that cotter pin, and they should drop right out through the bottom. So I'm wondering, is that groove holding that too much apart? I'm gonna make these flush across real quick, just rubbing them on some sandpaper. Let's see if that fixes it. So that's pretty close. These pads aren't thick to begin with, so I'll do the other one. But I mean, it didn't even use not even a quarter yet, so they should still have some life left. Sand this down, put it together, see if it's any better. They are semi-metallic. I did squeeze that spring in just a hair. So before I put that completely together and try these brakes, nope. So I got these pads off Amazon. Let's see if they fit. They look like they will. Yes, they do come with that spring. So this set comes with cotter pins, and it is 2 sets. And it was only like $8. They do in fact look like they will work. You can see my original pads weren't worn down that much. Put the pads up in there and wiggle your cotter pin in there to line everything up. Bend the end of your cotter pin. Put this back on. Nope. Still having a problem. So I picked up this brake bleed kit from Amazon. Same one I have at my Florida location. I'll have the links for this down below too. Comes with all the adapters. So we just got to find the right thread. Put the funnel on the top. And we will put the suction syringe and pull it through the bottom. I found the one that fit my thread. Looked like the screw I took out of it, of course. Comes with 2 bottles of the red dyed mineral oil. It's got this little stopper. So you fill it up, pull that out, and then when you put that back in, it won't keep running down. So I just put a little bit in there. I won't pull the stopper till I'm ready. Let's see what will fit on the caliper now. Filled that up a little more. Pull this plunger out. I had to remove the caliper and that bolt too. There's a couple little things of air there. There is some air there. No more air. I wonder. Block that off. Ooh, stopped it just in time. We can disconnect this. There was a little air. I don't know if it came from the fitting. I don't think so, because no more air came after. We'll have to see. Just set that there. Put that back in there. Pop this out again. Oh, that seems to fix it. How the heck would it get air? There must have been a couple bubbles in there, but how? 3rd time's a charm. The way those pads wore, that there's a groove on the top, I'm going to take that little spacer so that it goes further down and the pads contact that better. Because I don't think that spacer should be there. Not if it left a groove on that pad like that. If you're going to take that washer out, make sure you at least put new pads or sand those pads flush so you don't have that lip. Then squeeze that while those screws are loose. While you're holding it, tighten it up. And I put both washers on this side. Oh yeah, it looks better. The pads are definitely going to be down Probably to here now. Let's see if I can make a wear mark. There's a name they call when the brakes wear into the rotor. I can't think of the name of it though. Oh, they're hot. Oh yeah, I can see it's going down there now. See where it's hitting now? Definitely better. It's actually almost perfect on that rotor. Front ones look like they're proper. No spacer. Check yours. So yeah, we're definitely good now, see? So that's the fixed. Third time's a charm. Mom will be happy.
It's time for MotoCheez food reviews with Vin Cheezel.
We'll try out the Putnam Diner on Route 22 in Patterson, New York.
Sure.
All right. Putnam Diner. Been a long time, huh, Mama?
I think it's Patterson Diner. Is it Putnam or Patterson?
Thought it was a Putnam Diner. Good clam chowder, though. That's good. So I was right, Putnam Diner. I was right.
Well, gotta be right once in a while.
Yeah, even the clock is right twice a day. I got the gavadil with chicken. Yes, it's gavadil, not cavatelli. And what'd you get? Like a roast beef?
The Balboa roast beef.
The
and
Balboa.
Swiss.
Yeah, and this is a special. Manja.
A few moments later.
I'm full because of that soup. How about you?
Good.
1 to 10.
Oh, 7.
Mine was an 8. Very good.
The next day.
Guess I'll try that short stack. They have the Titanic over there. Could zoom in on that currency. A little too dark to make it out. Can't really tell. Wow, that's a short stack with the eggs and bacon, and you got the French toast.
Yeah.
Man, that's a lot to eat. How are we gonna eat all this?
I don't know. I thought it would be 2 pieces.
Wow. Wow.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
1 to 10?
I give it an 8. They cooked my eggs.
Yeah, mine was an 8. Pretty good. What we got? Today's prices anyway.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.